Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Nilgushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So we will discuss regarding introduction to pessaries. Pessary, a small soluble block that is inserted into the vagina to treat infections or as a contraceptives. An elastic or rigid device that is inserted into the vagina to support the uterus. Therapeutic pessaries are used to support the uterus, vagina, bladder or rectum. Pessaries are a treatment option for pelvic organ prolapse. A pessary is the most commonly used to treat the prolapse of the uterus. It is also used to treat the stress urinary incontinence, retroverted uterus, cystocele and rectocele. In next session we will discuss about the actual experiment. Experiment number 74. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the pessaries of cocoa butter containing liquid 5 gram. In this we are going to study the calibration of mold and method of preparation. Proposition 1 is the addition of an oily liquid to cocoa butter lowers its melting points, and if the proportion is large, then the mixture will be a soft paste. Learning objectives are to formulate the pessaries by using different bases and ability to prepare, pack and label the pessaries carefully. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, spatula, china dish, mold, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 5 upon 1, that is equal to 5. This is prescription, which is denoted by the symbol Rx. We have the prescription given in the Latin terminology. Let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. Type, that is category, use or rule of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. We have the quantity given in imperial system, that is the formula is given in the Latin terminology. Quantity given in metric system for preparing 1 gram. Quantity taken in metric system for preparing 5 gram. As we are preparing the 5 gram because we have the suppository mold which is having capacity to deliver the 4 suppositories each of 1 gram. So we are preparing 5 gram. 1 gram is excess for overfilling the mold. Eucalyptus oil used as a lubricant. Quantity given in imperial system is minim x. 1 minim is equal to 0.06. X stands for Roman 10. So 0.06 into 10, that is 0.6 ml. That should be the quantity given in the metric system. Quantity taken in the metric system should be 3 ml. For preparing 5 gram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. And theobroma oil, that is nothing but the oil of cocoa butter. So suppository base used as a suppository base, and quantity given in imperial system is a quantity sufficient. So quantity given in metric system for preparing 1 gram, that should be the quantity sufficient to prepare up to 1 gram. And quantity taken in metric system for preparing 5 gram, that should be the quantity sufficient to prepare up to 5 gram. Direction 1, to be instilled at the bedtime and to be used as directed by physician. So we have eucalyptus oil, theobroma oil. Instead of theobroma oil, we are using this cocoa butter. As after melting this cocoa butter, the theobroma oil get formed. And this is a glycerin which is used for lubricating this suppository mold for forming our pessary. As one can use, instead of glycerin, one can also use the soft soap or 95% alcohol for lubricating the mold. And we are going to use here glycerin. So first of all, now I am going to take this cocoa butter into this evaporating dish and then proceed for melting of it for forming the theobroma oil. So we started the melting of this cocoa butter for forming the theobroma oil. Let's see, our base is going to melt. So we will wait till complete melting of this base. As our base is completely melted, so now I am going to transfer this eucalyptus oil into it and then again stir the mixture for proper mixing of both theobroma oil and eucalyptus oil. Now as the mixture is properly formed, so we will proceed for pouring of this mixture into the previously lubricated suppository mold for forming the pessaries. Now I am going to pour this formed mixture into this previously lubricated mold. So I am going to fill all these 4 cavities of this mold and overfill this mold
So after filling this mold, now we are putting, let's see, I overfilled this mold and then we are, so let's see, I overfilled this mold. Now I am going to put this overfilled suppository mold into this freezer and then we will freeze it for next few hours till the suppositories will get formed. See, after few hours our suppositories are get formed and freeze properly. So now I am going to wrap each suppository into this butter paper separately and then we will store it into this wide mouth container. Labeling of formulation, we have packed each pessary into separate butter paper and then store it into this container. So pessary, 4 pessary for ABC, that is the name of patient, register number XYZ, which is the number given in the register, dispensed by PQR, that is the name of pharmacist, manufacturing date September 2020, store in cool and dark place. These pessaries are always stored in this refrigerator. These are used for rectal use or anyone also can use this for the vaginal use only. To be used as directed by physician, manufactured by Element Pharmacy Nasik. Result, the 4 pessary are stored into this wide mouth bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as for rectal or vaginal use